Hello, everybody. Welcome back to TPS Shorts. Today, I got something from London. From my London. There we go. Got something from London. Okay, I got this from the Science Museum. Shout out to them. They're pretty good. And let's see what we got. First things first, a Legend of Zelda cup. Get out of here. Huh. This... Wait, is this upside... Whoops. It's like I accidentally put this upside down. Oh, damn it. Got it. It's dangerous to go alone. Drink this. Now that way it goes on strong coffee. Oh. Yeah, I did do a little whistle. First things first, a Sonic. Well, this is my first opening. This is from Sonic Prime, by the way. Yeah. Sonic. If you're watching this right now, please like and subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 viewers by the... Sorry. Trying to get to... We'll put him on the side. And lastly, a Super Mario. A complete book of... A complete book of... The complete... Sorry, stuttered. Complete book of Mario. That is all what I got from the... Wait a minute, there's still more. Oh, sorry. Here, we got a Zelda keychain. A coin. And a fridge magnet. Nope. I got everything. Make sure you like and subscribe. And see you guys and girls next time. And goodbye.